Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to you class 10th Flight English Reader Unit 1 Inspiration. Inspiration means prerna. Reading a patriotism. So today we are going to read the patriotism in the inspiration AP. This is our late President Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We all know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and he always care about the children, and he guide the children, and he always worried about the careers of the children. Let us see the lesson 1 patriotism. Reading A. The meaning of patriotism I told you. The patriotism means देशभक्ति या राष्ट्र भक्ति. ओके बच्चों, तो इसका पैट्रियटिज्म का मीनिंग होता है राष्ट्रभक्ति या देशभक्ति. तो लेट अस वी स्टार्ट नाउ द लेसन. नाना जी, व्हाट इज पैट्रियोटिज्म? नाना जी, व्हाट इज पैट्रियोटिज्म? आस्क्ड Ajit. This is the story of a patriotism, and in this story there are main role of the Nana ji. Okay, and there are the characters of the character of Ajit, Nana ji, and Akash Roy. Okay, and the main character of this lesson is in this story the main character is the Akash Roy. Now let us start. Nana ji, what is patriotism? What is patriotism? Asked Ajit. He asked his Nana ji, what is the patriotism? What is the patriotism? It means going to jail like Gandhi ji or Chacha Nehru, or dying for your country like Bhagat Singh, explained his sister Naina. When the Ajit asked the question to his Nana ji, what is the patriotism, then explained her sister Naina. Naina and Ajit both are the brother and sister. She explained her brother that it means going to jail. गांधी जी की जैसा जेल चले जाना, चाचा नेहरू के समान या भगत सिंह के समान फांसी पर लटक जाना. It is the patriotism. Yes, Naina, you are right. Then the Nanaji explained the children. Yes, you are right. Naina is explaining her brother Ajit. You are right. But it also means a lot more to be a patriot. One need not die or go to jail. One can show one's love for one's country in many small ways. Nanaji said. Nanaji explained both the children what is the patriotism. You are right. Nana is saying that is also right, but it also means lots of more. The patriotism का meaning इससे भी और अधिक होता है. To be patriot, one need not to die. इसके लिए किसी को मरने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है और नॉट टू गो टू जेल जाने की भी नीड नहीं होती है. वन कैन शो वंस लव फॉर वंस country by any small ways. We can show our patriotism by so many ways. अदर वेज से भी हम शो कर सकते हैं. ओके बच्चों, तो आपने we celebrate the Republic Day, Independence Day in our school. So that means it is also the patriotism. And in the Republic Day and the Republic Day and in Independence Day, some children play their act or singing a patriotic song. So that is also patriotism. So that is the other way of showing the patriotism. Now, that is, we are not going to jail, we are not going to die. हम जेल जा रहे हैं या ये जेल नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, हम अपना पैट्रियटिज्म को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने एक्ट के माध्यम से, अपने शो के माध्यम से, अपने सिंगिंग के माध्यम से हम उसे शो कर सकते हैं। तो दैट मीन्स ऑफ नाना जी, दैट इज द लॉट मोर देन। ओके, by loving its culture, its people. Do you remember Ajit on 26th for the after the Republic Day parade tune being played? ओके बच्चों, तो हमने देखा यहाँ पे परेड ट्यून जो बजाई जाती, जनगण मन की जो परेड ट्यून जो उसमें बजाई गाती है। ओके, तो हम इस तरह से भी हम उसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर शोइंग आवर पैट्रियोटिज्म। यस नाना जी, एज सुन एज द ट्यून started, you stood and continue standing till the end. Do you know what the tune was? तो नाना जी एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, हाँ, जैसे ही when the tune started, what we do, we stood up, हम खड़े हो जाते हैं, and straight खड़े हो जाते हैं। and do you know what was the tune? ट्यून कौन सी होती है? I know नाना जी said, I know नाना जी, Naina said. Then the Naina explained, it was our national anthem, Jana Gana Man. In the Republic Day or the Independence Day, the tune was played, and that tune was the Jana Gana Mana tune. God, good, but do you know why I got and stood to attention? No, Nana ji, why? So then the Nana ji asked a question, why we stood up at that time when the tune was played, Janagana Man, as a mark of respect of a national anthem. So we stood because we are going to respect our national anthem. When the national anthem is going and we are sitting at that time, so that was looking very odd. ऐसा हमें बहुत क्या लगता है, odd लगता है। Dear children, when the class in our class, when the teacher entered the class, what we do, we stand up. Why we stand up? Because we are showing the respect for the teacher. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, टीचर के प्रति अपना रिस्पेक्ट शो कर रहे हैं। That is also when the tune is started, at that time we stood up because we are showing the respect of our national anthem. Your father continued to read paper and your mother went on her conversation on a phone. But what our family do, your father, the Nana ji explained कि Naina and Ajit Fauji, what they do, they continue read his father, when the national anthem was going there, his father was read the newspaper, and his mother was going the housework या conversation on the phone. Earlier in the cinema halls, at the end of the movies, national anthem was played, but it was found that people used to leave the hall in the midway, laughing, shouting, and creating the racket. Nanaji is saying that earlier in the cinema hall में क्या किया जाता था बच्चों, पहले जब when the फिल्म जब ये होती थी, फिल्म जब स्टार्ट या फिल्म के अंत में नेशनल एंथम क्या किया जाता था, नेशनल एंथम स्टार्ट किया जाता था। बट व्हाट द पीपल डू, द पीपल लीव द हॉल इन द मिडवे, यानी रिपब्लिक डे नेशनल एंथम वहाँ पे एंड भी नहीं होता है और लोग वहाँ से शॉटिंग अपना बातें करते हुए चिल्लाते हुए निकल जाते थे। सो द नेशनल एंथम इज स्टॉप इन द सिनेमा हॉल, इसलिए वहाँ पे क्या किया गया, इसे बैन कर दिया गया। नाउ अ डेज इन द सिनेमा हॉल देयर विल बैन टू द नेशनल एंथम। द रीज़न वाई आई गिव यू द एग्जाम्पल टू एक्सप्लेन योर पर्सन पैट्रियोटिज्म, तो हम पैट्रियोटिज्म का आपको एक्सप्लेन क्यों कर रहे हैं, कैन बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन अ सिंपल डे टू डे थिंग्स like respect for language, his nation, anthems or flag, all above all the his fellow countrymen. तो हमें बच्चों ये सब हमें रिस्पेक्ट, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट आवर फ्लैग, आवर नेशनल एंथम, आवर फ्लैग, नेशनल पैट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग, ये सब हमें क्या करना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. दिस इज़ द वे वी कैन शो आवर loves for our country, and this is also the patriotism. In the next video we will meet you. Till then, thank you, take care.